A friend of mine in school just asked me, do I do more because I want to do more in the vlogs? And yes, I think I do. And today, I want to do something. Because yesterday it was a pretty boring day, so let's do something today. Go to the city maybe, take some photos. At least do something in the holidays. I just have to use them. Let's get going. Good, let's go to work. Okay, so I'm done with work. I didn't do any photos because I got a few other jobs that I had to do. But we did do a lot, and now I'm gonna drive home, and it stopped raining, which is very good because I want to go skating. And now I could do that, but I would like to do some shots in the rain, but with the GoPro, not my camera. But that would be cool. Okay, apparently I'm out of milk again, and I don't know how my fridge is always empty because I pay a lot for my food every month, but it's always empty. So yeah, gotta get new food. Love me when I love it so much when you have to change or take off your inline skates in a store. I mean, I even looked, they did not have a warning sign or anything. And then I asked why, and she said, because I could fall. Is it because everyone is suing everyone for anything today? Or why do we always have to ensure that nobody gets hurt in our store? Come on, if I fall down, I get up. If I get hurt, well, it's my problem, dude. I went to your fucking store and fell. That's not your fault. Milk? Check. Bowl and spoon? Check. Cereals? Check. That's easy. Okay, so I wanted to do a lot today. The weather isn't playing with me because it's raining again. It did pour a lot earlier on and it's gonna go worse later on. So inline skating, not so much. Go running, maybe just a bit, but it's freezing cold now with the rain. Watching a movie, I don't want to. That's too lazy now. But what can we do? Like, this is awful. Love me when love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Okay, finally done. Let's go. She's always late, and I think I can see her. That's her. She's late. This is our weather. Awesome. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to... They want like $5 for 2 hours. We need more of that. Yeah. How much do they want? I bet the same, but still, it's a try. Still $5. How about no? Let's try somewhere else. Yeah. She wants a Schokobrötchen.
Who doesn't?
Yeah, and the parking tickets, we're only allowed to stay there for 1 hour. Wow. So, yeah, we're just gonna have to risk it.
Not if you want to loosen it. No, you can't.
This looks good, but I can't even tighten it. Too bad. I always want to have a better backpack because mine is really good right now. I could use a better one.
But it's dying.
It's dying? It's not dying. I want to have green outdoor pants. Something that I can wear just when I'm on the road. I think it's completely out because nobody has it anymore.
I want new pencils.
And she wants new pencils. That's like, I want pants and she wants pencils.
Who does not like pencils?
Guys, do you like pencils that much that you get excited about? I want to know.
Yeah, mechanical pencils, yeah.
Yeah, weirdo.
That's gonna be my house.
Yeah, it's being built right now.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful car. Never seen this before. Lotus Elan. This looks awesome. As soon as we take out the umbrella, it's not raining anymore. But honey, we have to go that way.
Love me when love me when love me when
Yeah, so I look like a douchebag now, but I just have to hold something. And a lot of cool stuff, but we didn't find anything we need. So let's go on.
Oh no.
I don't have one.
That's normal. What
Sorry. That was try number 2. That's fine.
love me when he just love me he just love me
That was number 3. Nothing.
he just love me when I'm lonely love me when
Come on!
She saw that sign, Nickelback, from there. No idea how she did that. They have it.
Just one. Chocolate.
That. Happy?
Yeah. Do you look happy?
Good. Now we can finally go home. My car is still there. Do we have a ticket? Please not. Look at that.
Chocolate.
Oh,
That was right in front of us. Wait, honey.
they have Schokobrötchen and it's like right in front of
That
us.
was in front of us.
And we don't have a ticket. Good, let's get in.
love me when love me when love me when
Good, we had this awesome idea with a really cool shot which we wanted to do, where we take my little clock, put the GoPro on, and do a time lapse of the whole room in 360 with us doing stuff in the middle. But sadly, it stops working at 45 minutes left. Really cool idea, didn't work. I'm gonna have to try to find a different kind of timer. Okay, let's go on.
love me when love me when
Good, we're pretty much done with the day. It's getting dark outside. We're gonna eat the yogurt and then have a meal and watch a movie, and that's gonna be it for today. So I'm gonna say good night, guys, and see you tomorrow.
love me when